Every day, manufacturing companies in Honduras create jobs, stability, and opportunity. Behind every production line and every shipment are workers and families who depend on these businesses. Workers are the heart of every company. But hurricanes and floods are a constant threat in the Sula Valley. When extreme weather hits, it doesn't just damage buildings, it disrupts wages, operations, and entire communities. When disaster strikes, production stops. There is a smarter way to prepare. Sula Protect is a parametric insurance solution aimed to protect both workers and businesses in case of hurricane winds and excess rainfall. Sula Protect uses trusted satellite and weather data to monitor rainfall and wind speed. Workers receive support faster. Companies can repair, reopen, and retain their workforce sooner. Protecting workers builds trust, loyalty, resilience, and helps businesses recover faster. Discover how you can protect your people and your business before disaster strikes. Learn how Sula Protect works. Prepare today so you can recover faster tomorrow.